What's up, everybody? We're gonna be working on the trunk today. We're gonna be wrapping a lot of stuff up today. We got the grounds we did. Bags are going on. They should be welded today. Yeah, I mean, just go check it out together. Oh, she's going. So we're gonna be grounding. We got 2 batteries. We got 2 grounds. Battery, and then we just welded some grounds back there. We'll get some light on them here shortly. So the whole system's gonna be grounded. That way we have no issues grounding anything. Slam Specialties, BC Fabricating, all kinds of goodies that go into those vehicles. Alright, so you're gonna just bolt those up right there with your airbag mounting hardware. Put some Loctite on them, and that should do it for that. We're gonna flip it and do the same thing. So what we're doing is tying this up. Yeah, this is the bottom. I'm not gonna bore you guys with this whole thing. Where you get it, get them down nice and snug. You got 1, 2, 3. So just get those all the way in, and I'll come back for the next part. There you go. Get that nicely done, nice and tight. All right, so for this kit, the small end, the narrow end needs to go to the front, and that needs to go to the back. It's gonna look like this. That way when we put this on, the fitting goes just like that, going right out. Okay? Alright, so same thing, tighten everything up. The bottom, tighten everything up. And then again, this short part is facing you. That faces the back. Okay, once they're all ready, it will look like this. Straight through, bottom, tops, they're all done. There we go, there we go. So nobody says this. Those are going to get screwed onto the top. We have 2 holes over there that we made to bolt them on. Nobody shows you that. That's what they're for. There you go. Just like that. Just like that. Just push it up, put the big washer, the little washer, and tighten it up. That's it. Must have a fire back here. Ow, son of a bitch.
Hey?
Yep. So we're running main cable there to 2 batteries. I'm making notes now. Make 4 step bits, holes bigger than your holes. We are gonna use grommets.